Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is club time. What does club time mean? It means it is the first of the month, and that means I get to share with you my newest creation. Well, actually, it's not my newest because I designed it probably 8 months ago, but I'm finally getting to share it with you, which is the best part. And this one is really fun and special to me because it goes back to my heritage, kind of, yeah, halfway, and because I'm half this. Oh, okay, whatever. Okay, that's going to be trying to explain that. Anyway. It is, are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. It is called Piñatas to Stamp. And I managed to get a ton on here. So what I did was I put the cute little piñata, llama, whatever donkey thing he is. Then I did a mini taco. I did a cute little piñata star. And I did a little cactus. And then it says, have a smashing birthday. Get it? Because piñata, you hit that. Hope your day is full of treats, or hope your day is a smash, or hope your day is, or hope your day is. And then it's a fiesta. And of course, there are coordinating stamps and dies that go with this because, hello, I couldn't just stop at this. Now, club members, if you're in the stamp club, your stamps are already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early. He sets his alarm for 1 a.m. Yep, it's true. And he gets those out in the mail to you. Now, if you're in the stamp club, you're getting the stamps. If you're in the Die Hard Club, that means you're getting the same stamps and the dies that match. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Now here we have the little donkey piñata guy. We have the taco with the shadow. We have the piñata with the shadow. And then we have like the little floofies. Floofies, is that a word? That go on the edge of the piñata. And I added in an extra floofy because you might lose it. It's kind of small, okay? So that it is what it is. Now, you're gonna ask, and I'm gonna start counting how many, well, I'm not gonna count because I really am not gonna count, but on top of this little die, there are these little tiny strip pieces that are gonna get cut out. And I'm wondering if you guys can figure out what it is. And I know you're not gonna be able to figure it out what it is, so I'm gonna tell you. It is the cheese to go on top of the taco. Okay, you're going to cut out that little funny looking die, you're not going to be sure what it is, out of yellow, and it's going to be the cheese on top of the taco, okay? Because it's kind of hard to design a taco and have the little tiny pieces of cheese, and so I just made them little dies. You're going to use that, use the adhesive backing sheets that we have at the Stamps of Life to make sure you get those on there and they'll look perfect. Now, Die Hard members, you're getting both of these. Now, as a club member, you get a 15% discount in our booth and on our website, and you get club points, which are even more exciting. So you have to join the club, kind of, pretty much, yeah. Now, you're also going to get a handy-dandy idea postcard. Sometimes I don't usually show you that, so it's kind of fun for you to see the postcard. And you're also getting a special gift this month. So club members, every once in a while, when the mood strikes, I throw in an extra goodie. And this extra goodie, what happened was I designed the whole thing. Everything was done, and I thought, ooh, you know what would be really, really cool? I'm like, I bet you I could sneak that in. And so I did sneak it in. What I did was I just ordered it and didn't tell anybody till it got here. That's the best way to do it. And I have included, everyone's gonna get a mini fringe die. Now you're going, huh, what? Well, when you design your little piñata, wouldn't it be fun for him to have real fringe? And we sell fringe dies that are larger, but the fringe is too wide for this cute little piñata. So I decided to include a little free gift. This is only for club members. Pretty sure you're not gonna be able to buy this fringe. I mean, because, you know, it's going to our club members. So if you join the club, you can still get in if you get this month. But this is an important die, and I want to show you how awesome this die is because, you know, we all need some fringe in our life. Now, we have this in larger versions, as I mentioned, but I'm going to run it through on, actually, let's do pink first. And I'm going to just grab a cutting pad. Let's get a little one, little die, little cutting pad. Just run that through, and you're going to see how adorable this fringe is. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this is. Let's look at it on this one. So look, it's this little tiny fringe and it's perfect. So it's the width of the piñata. So it's actually a little bit larger, wider than the piñata. So you can literally layer these fringe pieces and it's gonna be awesome, trust me. And it's free, so wow, awesome, right? Ooh, sorry. Now, let's look at my samples because my design team, as you know, is amazing. And look at this. Now, you might see a couple sneak peeks on some of these because there are coordinating products. So go check out that video as well. But look at how gorgeous that little guy is. Look at the little cactus in the pot. Now, same die, totally different color scheme. I always like to show the different color schemes. Look at this one. Here you go. Look at that. Totally different colors. Oh, wait, there's even another one. Totally different color schemes. Totally different. Isn't that awesome? I love these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I gotta show you that one. But so fun, so easy. And let's wait because there's more. Now look at this one. Now this one is definitely showing you a sneak peek because look at that sombrero. Are you kidding me? That is awesome. Now remember when I said this is part of my heritage? I don't know how many of you know I'm half Mexican. My last name before I got married was Sanchez back in the day. So it's, you know, fiesta, tacos, piñatas, whole enchilada. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. See, I told you. Oh my gosh. I make myself laugh. What, if you're not going to laugh, you're just going to bang your head against the wall. So, but look how cute that is with the little cactus. And then, oh, here's another one. Have a fantastico birthday. Oh, here's another one using the branch from the sloth. My club members already have that branch. Look at that. And you can make your own piñata officially. Here's another one, making a 4th of July piñata. Oh, wow, look at this shadow box. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that gorgeous? Fantastic. Now, if I'm going too fast on any of these, don't worry. They're all on our website. Go to the online gallery, and you can see all of them up close and personal. You can even click one that you like as your favorite, and it'll save it in your favorite, so you can always go back to it. You can also print these out. Now, this is the party in a box, this sample. This wins the favorite award for this video. And I don't even remember who, oh, here, Danya made it. Are you ready for this? This is a party in a box. Right here, this card is a party in a box. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. It opens up, and look at that. Don't you just want to go to this party? I do. I think it's fantastic. I just love everything about it. This is our 5x7 box card die, but it's fantastic. It's awesome, and it folds flat for mailing. Isn't it fantastic? But it opens up like that. I love it. Club members, as I mentioned, yours are already on their way to you. Start watching that mailbox because they're coming soon. If you're not in the club, you're missing out on the freebies, including that freebie mini fringe die for the piñatas. Join the club. It's only $11.95 a month. That includes brand new stamps every month, and you're getting a 15% discount on anything you buy on our website, including machines and including online classes, and it's a whole lot of fun. And you get club points, and oh my gosh, it's just, there's too many reasons to be in the club. So club members, yours are on their way to you. Thank you so much. Go check out the companion video because you're gonna not want to miss out on any of those. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.